Hi guys, this is another toy review from me and Decky. Hi Decky.
Hi there.
Hi there. So this is a tool chest, a toolbox. The Mickey Mouse Toolbox by Melissa and Doug. And yeah, this is really cool. We've had it for a long time too. Let's get all the things out. Let's see what we can do, what's inside. Yeah, hey, that doesn't go in here. But I guess we can use it. But that doesn't come in the set. What's that? That's like a screwdriver. A wood screwdriver. That's cool. And there's some pieces. Oh, a hammer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a hammer machine.
Okay, let's see how that works. How does that work? What else?
Hammers like this.
Uh-huh. Got all these fun colors, and so what do we do? These are the nails.
For this hammer
For
to
the
hammer
hammer.
on.
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Just like that. And so they go in the. Want to put them in some of the holes?
Yeah.
And then hammer it in.
Yeah. Oh.
In these ones.
Maybe in the Mickey hole.
Yeah.
Maybe like this.
Oh yeah, and you can put those. To make pieces, yeah.
This is
Oh, look at that. You're really nailing that piece into the board.
the nails into Mickey's ears.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, yeah, he's in the Mickey's ears. So then you lay it on the side and you do some hammering with the hammer. Want to try that?
Yeah.
There you go, and hammer it in tight. Good job. I think you got it. Look at that. That went all the way in. Good job. Now what else? These are screws, and they have threads and everything. And you can screw these little things. They have threads inside too, and you can spin them on. Can you spin that on?
And I'll try it with this on this Mickey ears, and then I'll put it on the Mickey's ears. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Where's the other one, Dad?
Which other one?
This
Oh,
one?
that one. Oh man, that's so cool. And then you can take these and you can screw it on the end of this.
Dad, it's not staying on there.
Whoa. That's because you have to screw this on the back of it. And then it tightens it. You tighten it all the way on. And that's how that works. You can learn about. That's like a bolt and a nut to get it to secure things.
Now the other one.
The other one?
Which one do you want to try out?
This one has one that can screw at the end too. Can you hold that piece? Yeah, actually hold this. You can hold it with a screwdriver and screw it like that. You really use this screwdriver like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
And that goes on the inside like that, and you can screw it on. And you can just have a lot of fun with all these different ways putting things together.
Another surprise.
You love to surprise us, don't you?
Yeah.
See, we can nail it up here. And this one right here. Oops, oops, oops. Want to nail that? Hammer that? Yeah. job. I think you got it. I think you got it. So that's the toolkit, everyone. And you can put this up here like that. There's just a bunch of things you can do.
Let's try this out. Let's try this out for the hammers.
Yeah.
On the ears. Let's try it out for the hammer.
Oh, you really got this in here.
Let's try this out for the hammer. Let's try the hammer things in the ears for this hammer.
Okay, try it.
But, yeah. There's one here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Those are good places for the mark.
Mm-hmm. Good job. That's not going anywhere. If we screw this on. So if we take this.
I'll bring another surprise to talk of.
Okay. This is a cool thing.
Dad, I found the surprise. Let's talk about the surprise about Islanders. Daddy.
Look how I'm doing this. For me?
Yeah.
Use the screwdriver. And can you twist this? You twist this, and I'll hold the other end, and you'll see how it moves together. Oh, look at you, using those tools. We're really fixing things now. And that'll actually screw all the way in. It's kind of hard, huh? But it'll go.
Yeah, I want to.
And I'll twist this side. You hold your side still. Can you hold it still? Hold this still while I turn it. You could actually screw it all the way on. That's really cool. Hey everyone, before I turn the camera off, but Decky actually helped me put everything back in, and that's a really good helper. And that was the review of the Melissa and Doug Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Toolbox kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.